Use this cleaning kit for routine maintenance on the inside and outside of your Opal. It comes with two 2.5-ounce bottles of cleaning solution, one cleaning cloth, a sponge, and 4 cotton swabs. We recommend using gloves as well. Start by cleaning the outside. Unplug the Opal. Gently apply the cleaning cloth dampened with soapy water, and then dry it. Feel free to use stainless steel cleaner on the stainless steel surfaces. Now remove the ice bin. Unplug the hoses on the back of the Opal and drain all water. Reconnect the hoses when you're finished. If you're using the filter, replace the intake cap. Then fill the reservoir with water to the upper fill line. Add 1 bottle of cleaning solution, stir it into the water, and hold the clean button for 3 seconds. Water will circulate and the cleaning indicator light will light up. While the clean cycle is running, dip the cleaning cloth in the solution and use it to clean the inside of the Opal, the drip tray, and the ice bin. Use cotton swabs for hard-to-reach areas. When you're finished, rinse the cloth with clean water. When the clean cycle is complete, soak the sponge in the solution and place it flat on the ice chute. This will help dissolve any mineral buildup. Replace the ice bin and wait 18 hours. Then take it out. Remove the sponge from the chute and wet the cleaning cloth to wipe the chute clean. Drain the Opal again and refill the reservoir with fresh water. Finally, run a total of 3 rinse cycles using fresh water with each cycle. Then drain the Opal one more time. Wipe down all surfaces with a wet paper towel. Your Opal is now perfectly clean and ready to start making delicious nugget ice. And remember, with the Smart HQ app, you can start ice production from anywhere.